I need somebody to be my baby father right now. Cause
Well,
me
you
not have
can't
no
need somebody to be a baby father. You have to find it said baby father. No, but you can't say that. You can't be the baby father. You understand? And the baby father have to be the baby.
No, him not there. That's why me I look smarty and you look good because you work and you look honorable and them thing there.
You can't move in with me.
Why me can't move in with you?
You have to go on a station and make them move you in.
You can be my baby father the same way. Me gonna make him call your daddy.
You can't do that.
Yes, me can do that. Me can just make him call your daddy from him born.
No, you can't do that.
I help me want in a sir. I help me want and you work and you me want to help
Yeah,
me.
but it me I tell you say, I know say it go like how you talk it. To the way how you talk it like say no, like say you don't have no sense.
What you mean?
Like say you don't have no headpiece.
See, me can't find no baby father and you